Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how to modify the existing group accounts and how to delete an existing group. So the group mod command will help us to modify any of the existing groups. So you can use the group mod command and specify the corresponding option to make a change. So let us take an example to understand the use of group mod command.
So group mod can be used to modify the existing details about the group. For example, let's suppose if I list the etc group file, so the Red Hat 1 group is having the ID 8050. If I want to change that, then I can use group mod -g. Let us give it 8150 to Red Hat 1. And if I now check, you can see that the group ID is changed from 8050 to 8150. Similarly, there is another option, group mod -u, and you can assign a user to this group. So let us assign this group a user. Let's suppose Baljit, and the group is Red Hat 1. So you can see as of now, there is no member in this group. So this group is not a supplementary group for any member. Once I use -u and then I list it again, you can see now Baljit has been added as a member to this particular group.
The next command is group delete, which will help us to delete any existing group. So you will write the group delete command followed by the name of the group that you want to delete.
Group delete is used to delete a group. So you can write group delete and then specify the group name. So let us first list the groups. Let us delete now Red Hat. So group delete Red Hat, check again, and you can see that the group Red Hat is deleted.
So I hope that now you will be able to manage the users and groups in the system. In the next video, we are going to practice some problems based upon the user and group manager commands that we have learned.